So today's video is about mandala, how to draw a mandala. Now this is especially for few of the school students who have asked me to do it, and I'm making it as simplified as possible. So I hope you enjoy this.
So this is what we are going to do today, a beautiful mandala. Now things what I've used is the sketch pen. Can you see, it's such an amazing thing, just for 25 rupees. Camlin sketch pen, and I've used a pencil, I've used a rounder, I've used a compass, a scale. That's about it. Using all this thing, I started my mandala. Okay, so take a center of the page, so you know somewhere in between. Using this compass, start making the circle. So you start first with the smallest circle. Now the size of the circle is irrespective. You can make as many circles as possible. So keep on making circles. The size of the mandala could be according to your requirement. So it could be a big mandala, it could be a small mandala. Just circles. Okay. So once the circles are ready, so now I'll do is draw one line dividing the circle into half. Okay, now using the compass, I am doing 10 degree. See, I'm marking 10 degree on both sides. Okay, now using this marking, I'm joining 3 points together. One point, the center point, and the opposite line. So very simple. Understand again. I've marked 10 degrees on both the sides, and I'm joining the dots. So 3 dots, the center dot, dot from one side and dot from another side. So after joining the line, my basic structure is ready. So that's what it looks like. Okay. If you want, you can erase off slightly the guidelines. Okay, I'm starting first with a center circle, and then I'll start deciding, giving the shapes. Okay, so let's say I start first with the leaf shape. Okay, I think it's looking nice. What I'll do is, once I've established my design, I can directly use my sketch pens. You can even use first do the pencil line and then do your sketch pen, or if you feel you're confident enough, start make 2 or 3 designs and then you can start using your sketch pen. Okay, so that's my second layer. Right, so my first layer was leaf, and now my second layer. So I added one more circle, and again my second layer, again I'm giving leaf. I've established 3 leaves, and I think, yeah, I can do it. So I'm not making the pencil line all over, just 2-3 to establish my design, and then because I have a confidence, I am doing directly with the sketch pen. Now again, it's up to you. If you want, you can do complete pencil work and then do your sketch pen, or any which ways. Okay, so my second is done. Now third, I'm drawing a circle. So I'm making a circle. I'm filling up those extra space, sketch pen in the orange color. Okay, now again I'll start with a pencil. So I'll make few 3-4 designs, and I feel, yeah, it's looking nice, because if I start directly and if I don't like it, then I with sketch pen I can't rectify it. So I start first with pencil, and then once I feel that, yeah, this is perfect, so my fourth layer is also done. My fifth layer, again with the sketch pen, with leaves. Now the design could go according to your likes. So it's not necessary you have to follow the same design. You can change your design, you can change your shapes. Instead of leaf, you can make flowers, you can make like any design. You can make stripes, so any design you can do. Okay, so my first, second, third, fourth, fifth, now my sixth line. Again, see, I started first with pencil, and once my design is established, I feel, yeah, I can go ahead. I start directly with the sketch pen. Okay, so done. Now I'm filling it with the yellow color. Now I've used sketch pen. You can use any color. If you have color pencils, you can do it with color pencils. If you want a black and white mandala, you can have a black and white mandala also. So whatever you feel like. I've made it as simple as possible. Anybody can draw it, even if you're not a good artist. It's okay. So I'm adding one more circle to it. So you can increase or decrease your circle. That's completely all right. I did yellow color. So in this I've used only three colors: yellow, orange and red sketch pens. That's it. I'm adding one more circle to it. I'm adding leaves, small leaves. So every segment I'm using 3 leaves. So my segments are very important. So it becomes balance. Yeah, my guidelines. My segments are my guidelines. And we are almost done. Yeah, it's looking nice. The mandala is almost done. Added. Yes, I'm adding that white space is looking empty. I'm adding those dots and erasing all the unwanted lines. I'm adding red dots all over. So each spikes of the segment, I'm adding a dot. Yes, our mandala is ready. Please follow Bhargavi Raval. Subscribe my channel.